Andrew, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be doing an unboxing of what is in this box, and these are going to be bird-shaped watering cans. They're from the company, it's impossible to pronounce, but it's FLHJYF. And they're metal bird watering cans. There's gonna be two separate ones. One's gonna be orange and baby blue, and then the other one's gonna be blue. And both are size 1.8 liters or half a gallon, and they're $30 each on Amazon. I recently purchased these because I was looking for a new watering can. Previously, I had IKEA's like opaque white and gold watering can that you can get for like 10 bucks, and that's like the absolute best watering can for bang for your buck. So if you go to IKEA, buy that thing and don't hesitate buying it, because I used it for almost like 4 years. It didn't rust, it didn't corrode, and it's really nice as far as the design. However, I recently moved and didn't have space for it, so I left it at my brother's house, and I needed new watering cans. So I went on Amazon, looked at a bunch, looked at the reviews, and all the reviews were like things corroded, paint chipped, or it was just like a cheap plastic one. So at 30 bucks, I bought two of them just because of the style. They're very, very whimsical, and I really, really like it. And this was like a me purchase just because my old apartment, I had nearly 90 plants. They are absolutely the funniest, coolest things I've ever seen as far as a watering can. And the reviews on these say that they are really good as far as like the paint not corroding or anything like that. And so they just make me smile, and the color is like a popping color. A lot of my stuff is natural color, but this is really out there. So this is the one, so it's like an orange bird, has the eyes, some baby blue, actually has this like really cool design like on the side where it almost looks like what people would put on an airplane, like an old propeller airplane, and then that's the tail. I don't even know what type of bird it would be, but either way. And then the feet literally have feet, and this just makes me smile. And the belly actually is white there, that's cool. As far as the spout, how it works is the water enters into here, all right? And then there's a hole in the front. You might not be able to see it, the angle's really tight, but there's a hole there, and the water actually has like a plastic spout that it'll fall out of the mouth. So this is just very, very whimsical. It's like an artsy way of watering, plus the fact that like it's functional is really, really cool. So it's just gonna make me smile whenever I water my plants or whenever I see it. So it's really cool from that standpoint. And then I was only gonna get one, but when I saw the other, I was like, I have to have both just for like decorative purposes. Plus, I feel like as a set, there's much more story to it. So this is the other one. So it's this baby blue one. To be honest, it looks better in person than on the pictures online. Online, it looked kind of like flat and kind of like blah, but it's like a baby blue bird all the way across, has pink on the cheek here, the same eyes, same design as the beak. The beak's a little bit shorter. Overall, the size though, as far as the canister, is the same, so 1.8 liters, even though it's smaller. So the legs are just shorter, so that's how that works. But that's it. So those are the two. Each of them are $30, which is, it's pricey for a watering can, but if you look at all the prices on Amazon, it's all like $20 to $30. So if you like this design, go ahead and buy it for yourself. I'm sure you'll like it. And the fact that the reviews say it doesn't corrode or have any paint issues is really good. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fill both of these up with water and walk through watering them with them, just to see how the spout functions. Because if it doesn't function or it spills water all over the place, it really won't matter how it looks, but we'll test it out. Okay, so I have a little bit of water in here. What we'll do is we'll just try to pour this. This is a bird of paradise, and it does work. The angle's a little bit hard, so you do have to turn it upwards a long ways in order to turn it. So you can't really get your arm out. So because the spout is very, very short, it's not like a gooseneck kettle where like you can pour and have it like go out. So that's one consideration, is like if you have a lot of angle, like you have to literally get over the plant. However, the combination of its functionality and the whimsical nature of it and the look of it's really cool. Additionally, my plant, I'm probably not gonna, I don't know where I'm gonna leave it, but I'm probably gonna just leave it on the floor like that, as like a decorative way and a functional purpose in the apartment. So that's that that one and then we'll try out the other one. Okay, so here's the other one, what it looks like on the actual ground, if you want to store it that way. And then again, we'll try to pour it. This one pours better. So this is more of like a realistic angle here. The other one, I think it's because it's so small and the legs are shorter, it doesn't, you can't like get the water to project as much. But this one seems more functional. So if you were to get like functionality or factor that in, I'd probably go with this one. But like the other one functions, it's just you have to turn it much further. So if the angle is like a little bit down further, it wouldn't be as big a problem. But I absolutely love both of these. They're phenomenal as far as the look. For $30, this is amazing.